Hey, let me show you the best watch faces for the Xiaomi Watch 2. So the first one is actually the live watch face. As you can see, I'm moving my watch and all of these elements on the watch face actually moving. Like it is really inside now, yeah, you know what I mean. So we can shake it and it is moving, so I like it, that's actually fun. The next that I really enjoy is right here in the Mi Fitness application. And the name of it is actually 2048, and you will be actually surprised because thanks to this watch face we can actually play this game. It's actually a very popular game on any devices like tablets and stuff like this. As you can see, there it is. We can play the game. You can quickly reset or just go back. Okay, there we go. The next watch face that I really like, it's the definitely watch face with the images, cool looking images. So it's in the photo display free. You can click apply, and now we've got this beautiful girl and goose, or maybe it's duck. I'm not sure if it is goose or duck, but there we go. I like it. And when you click on the more, for sure you can download any other watch faces from the Google Play Store. But for sure, I'm talking about all of these watch faces that you can quickly apply and get on our watch. So that's actually my 3 favorite watch faces. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.